Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred two Kashmiri youth in the Pulwama district. The youth were martyred in a joint cordon and search operation by the Indian troops and paramilitary forces personnel in Nihama area of the district on Monday. Bharatiya Janata Party-led Indian government is using the armed forces and agencies such as the National Investigation Agency and State Investigation Agency as tools to suppress the freedom movement in occupied Kashmir. Indian forces including the Army, Rashtriya Rifles, Central Reserve Police Force and the Special Operation Group along with the notorious agencies like the NIA and the SIA are conducting daily raids across the occupied Kashmir. Modi-led Indian regime has further intensified restrictions across all districts and towns of the occupied Kashmir ahead of the vote counting tomorrow. The three-tier security system has been implemented to ensure the integrity of the electoral process, according to the chief election officer. The worst-turned heat wave has resulted in the forest area in the Udhampur district. The forest official said that the forest department personnel promptly responded to contain the blaze. Body of a man who went missing after the glacier collapse, who was a sledgeman, was retrieved from the Sindh River near Ganderbal of the Sonmarg. The official said the sledgeman went missing yesterday after a portion of the glacier fell in the Ganderbal. An elderly man was found dead in Udhampur district. The elderly man, identified as Krishan Chand, was found dead under mysterious circumstances in the minibus stand in the district.